telling her anything yesterday.
Yes, I was telling her yesterday something. I was telling her something yesterday.
ठीक है
Shivang,
आप उसको कुछ
uh, good evening, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Stop whatever is going on. Okay. And firstly, write down one sentence. I'm not telling you the chapter. You will have to tell me. The sentence is नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती. Where will you write?
present simple.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है. Come again. Who has to make this sentence? I could not hear because of low voice.
Will you try Mini and Neha?
Yes, dear. Uh, Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to simple present tense. It is an affirmative.
Mini, sorry, it's upside down. Come again.
Actually, she was absent, so I think she
Huh.
doesn't know the new process. You should try, Nidhi.
This is belongs to.
Nidhi, you try.
I have to make this sentence. Uh, this sentence belongs to present simple tense. It is an affirmative sentence. Uh, Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is new, bright. Later on, I will take the uh, first form of the verb. So, what here to adverb आएगा? And the first form of the verb is sigh. Uh, and I put as uh, I remove sir. Why? And
Nidhi,
I will
Nidhi,
add is.
what is the meaning of I remove?
I will I will remove sir.
Yes, that is good.
Hmm. I will remove y and I will add ies.
Very nice.
Hmm.
अब ये सब वो नहीं बता पाती इसलिए हमने बदल दिया.
Hmm.
I'm asking one related question.
Hmm.
Nidhi, why are you using S or ES or IES with this verb?
So because the subject is singular number and
That's
हाँ verb को and all the verbs are plural number. That's
all
why
the
sir verb
verbs.
को हाँ verb को singular number बनाने के लिए उसमें s या es या ies ये सब लगाते हैं.
Very nice. Thank you very much. अब ये इतना हम पूछते तो क्या वो बताती? वीडियो तो उसको मिल गया होगा, पता नहीं उसने देखा कि नहीं, है ना?
So I don't know about ज़्यादा शर्माना.
Okay, no problem. You have tried your level best. तुमने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर ली है. लेट्स गिव द चांस टू समबडी एल्स. चलो किसी और को मौका देते हैं. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to present simple tense. And it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is new bride. Thereafter, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is sigh. Then I remove y. Then I will remove y and put ies in the place of y. Thereafter, I will take. Lastly, I will take the adverb, and the adverb is so much.
So much is correct. लेकिन यहाँ बच्चों हम एक बहुत खूबसूरत इंग्लिश का शब्द आपको सिखाने जा रहे हैं. हो सकता है तुम में से जो थोड़ा सा खुले हुए बंदे हैं उन्होंने किसी न किसी सीरियल मूवी में सुना होगा. न्यू ब्राइट शाइज.
It's a lot.
Sigh a lot. Yes.
Uh,
Very good. Firstly, speak this sentence as this. Neha, start.
I have to make this sentence. This
Okay.
sentence,
Mini, speak.
new bride shies a lot. नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है.
Call
श्रीराम
somebody.
भैया.
Good.
New bride sighs a lot. नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है. दीदी
New bride sighs a lot. नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है. नेहा.
New bride shies a lot. नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है.
दीदी प्लीज कम अगेन.
New bride shies a lot.
Sorry, Neha.
Google is
a lot.
taking why.
नई दुल्हन ज्यादा शर्माती है.
Shy.
But let's do some creativity. Change the subject and change the verb, but do not remove this because it is new for you.
So can I try? Pappu speak a lot. Speaks a lot. पप्पू ज्यादा बोलता है.
हिंदी शिल्पी पप्पू बहुत ही बोलता है.
पप्पू बहुत ही बोलता है.
Her daughter cries a lot. उसकी बेटी ज्यादा ही रोती है.
I'm ready. My cousin sleeps a lot.
Sorry for pronunciation. Come again.
कम अगेन दीदी.
My, my cousin
Cousin. Come again, Mini.
my cousin sleeps a lot. It is right, sir. My cousin
This is.
sleeps.
Please speak up.
My cousin sleeps a lot. मेरी cousin बहुत सोती है.
So your voice is too low. Mini Didi. I am saying to her, please speak up, but she forgot what I am saying.
It will do. Tit for tat.
Yes, I could say. My friend, his name is Guddu, pokes a lot. सब मेरा दोस्त गुड्डू बहुत ज़्यादा टांग अड़ाता है.
The uh, the Khatra Khatra show go going uh, uh, going on a lot. खतरा खतरा शो ज़्यादा चलता है.
I
Sir is
think want
taking
to say,
sir is taking badla.
boy, I am saying to you want to say to Kalash channel, don't take this so much.
Okay, let's play questioning answering round.
So can
Imagine.
I make one more sentence?
Yes, of course, you can make one.
He parts his chance a lot. भाई अपनी चांस हर बार ज़्यादा पास करता है.
Okay. Nidhi,
He, yes sir.
who dances a lot? Who dances a lot?
Sir, I dance a lot.
कौन बहुत ज्यादा डांस करता है?
सर मैं ही बहुत ज़्यादा डांस करती हूँ. शिवांग, uh, who uh, makes excuse a lot.
दीदी I think you make excuse a lot.
Come again.
Make excuse. Makes
Your
excuse.
whole sentence.
I think you make excuse a lot.
Okay.
Google
Shivang,
is not taking his pronunciation correctly. Maybe his earphone is not properly connected or network is slow.
शिवांग, कौन बहाने ज़्यादा बनाता है?
दीदी मेरे ख्याल से आप बहाने ज़्यादा बनाती हो. मिनी दीदी, who pays who pays his payment in Paytm a lot?
Come again, भैया.
Who pays PAIES? Who pays his or her payment in Paytm a lot?
Her friend pays his payment a lot in Paytm a lot.
जी पेटीएम में कौन ज़्यादा पेमेंट डालता है या फिर भेजता है, पे करता है?
हम्म, उसके दोस्त पे पेटीएम में बहुत ज्यादा पेमेंट करता है. Neha D, who lies a lot.
Mini, he lies a lot.
नदी
बोल रहा है
कौन
रुको।
ज्यादा कौन ज्यादा झूठ बोलता है?
शिवांग, म्यूट योरसेल्फ, थैंक यू।
मिनी वह ज्यादा झूठ बोलती है। सीधी हु
आई एम बेस्ट।
हु who laugh a lot.
Kapil Sharma laughs a lot.
चलिए कौन कौन ज्यादा हंसता है?
कपिल शर्मा खूब हंसता है। निधि, who joins the class first?
Uh, sir, uh, my friend joins the class first.
क्लास में सबसे पहले कौन आता है?
सर मेरी दोस्त क्लास में पहले आती है। शिवांग, who who rectifies his mistake first.
दीदी
His or her mistake first. Sir, it is working. His or her.
पिंकी रेक्टिफाई her mistake first.
Come again.
Rectifies.
Come again.
Rectifies.
Whole sentence.
Pinky rectifies her mistake first.
शिवांग, अपनी गलती कौन पहले सुधारता है?
पिंकी अपनी गलती पहले सुधारती है। दीदी दीदी who arrests the thief first?
भैया
Come again.
बोले।
Sorry, come again. शिवांग.
Okay. दीदी who gets ready first? दीदी
हाँ, her sister gets ready first.
पहले
Sorry.
तैयार और
Sorry. Come again, Mini.
Her sister gets ready.
Something is rest only. Stupid mistake.
Her sister gets ready. फिर क्या होगा? चिरांग भैया come again.
who gets ready first?
Google is not taking his speech correctly. And I think Mini is reading only, not listening.
Who gets ready first?
Her sister gets ready first.
पहले तैयार कौन होता है?
उसकी बहन पहले तैयार होती है.
Minnie, what did we uh, do that one sentence? Your subject is singular number, na? Hmm.
Yes. Her sister gets GETS ready first.
पहले तैयार कौन होता है?
उसकी बहन पहले तैयार होती है.
Minnie, good morning.
Who Neha ji, who learns uh, a lot.
Sir, I have to ask one question to Shivam. Shivam, uh, who attacks first? Rus or Ukraine?
maybe maybe Ukraine attacks first. Maybe. I'm not confirmed.
शिवांग, पहले अटैक कौन करता है, यूक्रेन और रशिया?
क्योंकि शायद यूक्रेन पहले अटैक करता है. आई एम नॉट confirmed. कंफर्म नहीं.
गुड मॉर्निंग मिनी.
Neha ji, who learns first? Uh, Shivi and her friend.
मिनी, सिवी सिविलन फर्स्ट हर फ्रेंड, sorry, her friend like draws like now. It is working here. Can you come again?
who learns first, Shivi or her friend?
Her friend. Is she learn first? Uh, to be her friend.
Sorry.
She learn first her friend.
Shivang, you answer this question.
Didi Shivi's friend learn first. Learns first.
भैया पहले कौन सीखता है?
दीदी पहले उसकी दोस्त से सीखती है. शिवी की दोस्त सीखती है. दीदी दी.
नेहा.
Who? Okay, Neha Didi. Who raises the hand first?
Shivang, see, okay, the hand first.
Come again, Didi.
See, okay, come again, Shivang.
Who raises the hand first?
Shivang, see, rise the hand first.
I'm not using right.
Complete the process, Shivang.
Come again, Didi. Pronunciation is wrong.
See, rise the hand first.
You are using rice.
Rise.
Okay. Now listen my Hindi. दीदी हाथ कौन उठाता है? पहले हाथ कौन उठाता है?
शिवांग पहले हाथ पर उठाती है.
According to your English,
Uh,
you are using rice, so rice means ungna.
no, rise. I'm not the rise. Nidhi, who uh, uh, who
Firstly, rectify your mistake, Neha. Raise means हाथ उठाना. Raises.
I'm not rise, I'm praise.
I know Didi, you are not rice. You are
Shivang,
Neha.
I'm answering this question. The tallest boy of the class raises the hand first.
सब पहले हाथ कौन उठाता है?
जो क्लास का सबसे लंबा लड़का है ना, वो सबसे पहले हाथ उठाता है. One more round. Nidhi, who wakes up early in your family?
So, of course, I am. Uh, I rise early in the morning in my family.
आपके परिवार में जल्दी कौन उठता है?
Sir, I could not rise रखा मैंने. Wake up. I could not. I forgot, sir. Wow. I wake up early in the morning in my family, sir.
Okay, ask the same question to me.
Sir, uh, who wake up? Who wakes up uh,
ये to
early
whom
in
you are
the?
asking?
I'm asking to sir. Sir, who wakes up early in the morning in your family?
My Jethani wakes up early in my family. My
Sir,
Jethani wakes up early in my family.
सर आपके परिवार में जल्दी कौन उठता है?
मेरी जेठानी सबसे पहले उठ जाती हैं इस परिवार में.
Didi, good morning. Didi.
Yes.
Good morning.
Sir, my sasu ji wakes up uh, early in the morning.
आपके परिवार में
In my
जल्दी
family.
कौन उठता है? और निधि,
Hmm.
यूक्रेन
Yes,
और
sir.
रूस रोज रोज एक दूसरे पे आक्रमण नहीं करते कि मंडे को किया फिर ट्यूसडे को करेंगे फिर अगले हफ्ते करेंगे. ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल है. रोज रोज किए जाने वाले कार्यों पर चर्चा करोगे तो घर में इंग्लिश बोल पाओगे। पास्ट सिंपल में वो सेंटेंस होता तो हम सही जवाब देते उसका, वो प्रैक्टिकल भी होता। तो अटैक करना ना तो कोई हैबिट है ना रूटीन है जो कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आएगा।
Good morning, Deep.
Many
Uh,
who sweeps drawing room in your family?
Come again, sir.
Can you answer, Shivang?
So I can't listen.
आपके परिवार में
your voice talking sound.
network is creating problem. तुझे ना Hello, check 1 2 3. Am I audible?
You are audible.
You asked the same question.
Didi,
Shivang, am I audible to you?
yes sir, you are audible to me.
Ask.
Didi, am I audible to you?
There is a big problem in network.
Now you are not audible.
Network fluctuation is going on. Shivang, who sweeps the drawing room in your family?
Sir, I sweeps the drawing room in my family.
आपके फैमिली में ड्राइंग रूम में कौन झाड़ू लगाता है?
सर मैं अपनी फैमिली में ड्राइंग रूम में झाड़ू लगाता हूँ। दीदी,
Vinny, who waters the plants in your family?
Sir, I waters the plant in my family.
Neha, who mops the other rooms?
Sir, C mops other rooms.
बाकी कमरों में पोछा कौन लगाता है?
फिर बाकी कमरों में वह पोंछे लगाती है।
निधि, let's play one common sense round. Nidhi, who brings Letters to you.
Sub postman brings letters to me.
आपके घर पत्र लेकर कौन आता है?
सर पोस्टमैन डाकिया मेरे घर पत्र लेके आता है. शिवांग who uh, who cuts our hair.
The barber cuts our hair.
शिवांग अपने बाल कौन काटता है?
दीदी बार्बर बोले तो आई डोंट नो द हिंदी, आई फॉरगॉट द हिंदी. बार्बर अपने बाल काटता है. मिनी दीदी, who makes up no who serves the meal or dinner in hotels or restaurant. Mini didi,
Waiter serves the dishes in restaurants.
सर रेस्टोरेंट में डिनर कौन सर्व करता है या मील कौन सर्व करता है?
वेटर रेस्टोरेंट्स में व्यंजन परोसता है. Ask next question. Who is ready?
Sir, I'm ready.
Ask.
Uh,
दीदी, okay, you are asking.
Shivam, who?
Shivan has answered.
Okay.
Shivan has
Sir,
just answered. I have
sir,
also answered.
Neha, who uh, delivers parcel?
The uh, deliver man deliver parcels.
Sorry दीदी.
Mini
Can
answer this question.
Delivery boys deliver parcels. Delivers parcels.
Shivan,
the delivery वाला delivers parcel. दीदी please
complete
complete
the
शिवांग,
the.
question.
कौन
Yes.
शिवांग कौन पार्सल डिलीवर करता है?
ये डिलीवरी वाला आता है ना, वो पार्सल डिलीवर करता है. Because in my area there is only one delivery wala Flipkart and only one delivery wala Amazon. So we can notice, we can coach them ki it is the delivery wala Flipkart or it is the delivery wala Amazon. So we can guess who is the delivery wala Flipkart. Neha Didi, who
Neha, who grows crops?
Sir, you have spoken out of my mouth.
The gardener. Uh,
it is a VGT of
No,
my, it's a
Shivang,
VGT of I.
she is telling about her garden. थोड़ी बहुत लगा लेती होगी
Okay,
कुछ ऐसा.
okay.
You don't.
So the third what is enough
Do you know
for
the meaning
her.
of crops? Do you know the meaning of crops, Nidhi?
Yes, sir. Sir, फसल.
Okay, just a minute. Mini is ready to answer. She's nodding.
Sir, farmers grow crop, grows,
दीदी
grows crop.
फसलें कौन उगाता है?
सर, फसलें किसान उगाते हैं.
सॉरी, शिवांग.
सब फसलें किसान उगाता है.
करेक्ट.
Okay, Neha didi, who repairs bike?
Shwang mechanic repairs bike.
Okay, दीदी गाड़ियाँ कौन सुधारता है?
Shwang mechanic गाड़ी सुधारता है.
Is there any mechanic in your area?
Yes. Yes, Shwang. Uh, the engineer repair. Come again, Shwang. Voice is chopping.
Okay, Mini didi, is there mechanic?
Wow, Neha, well done, Neha, well done.
So can I ask to Mini didi? Okay, Mini didi, who repairs bike or motor vehicles?
शिवांग में mechanics repair bikes and motor vehicles.
दीदी मोटर व्हीकल्स कौन सुधारता है?
भैया मैकेनिक मोटर व्हीकल सुधारता है.
Is there any mechanic in your area?
यस भैया. माय एरिया इज वन मैकेनिक.
Shivang, please ask me the second question.
Sir, is there any mechanic in your area?
Yes, there are two. One is Kallu mechanic and second is Mallu mechanic. Both are very good.
So both are repair good
No,
bikes.
one is four-wheeler expert, second is two-wheeler expert.
Okay, so I want to. Sir, which one repairs two wheeler?
Kallu repairs two-wheelers and Mallu repairs four-wheelers.
I want to go to Kallu for repairing my two wheeler.
And he takes very less money.
Yes, sir. Now, so I want to go to Kallu.
He is very honest and he is very experienced mechanic. He has been repairing the vehicles for last 27 years.
For a long time, he is
Yes.
repairing.
He is very experienced person and his nature is also good.
Because he is repairing for a long time and he meets a lot of people in a day.
Everybody of this area knows him.
He is very popular
He is very popular.
in your area.
Okay, who is ready to ask the next question to whom?
सर आई एम रेडी. निधि who irons clothes.
Sorry, Didi.
Come again.
Who irons clothes.
Are you using cloth? Okay.
It will do. Nidhi,
Okay.
answer.
Hmm. Uh, Iron Man uh, irons clothes.
दी प्रेस कौन करता है?
प्रेस वाले भैया है ना, वो प्रेस करते हैं।
Neha, who makes golden ornaments? Neha, who makes golden ornaments?
Sir, jewelry man makes golden ornaments.
Who is ready to give appropriate answer?
Can I try?
Yes, you, Shivang.
Sir, Sonar makes
Now, Nidhi, do you know appropriate
सर
word?
गोल्ड स्मिथ।
goldsmith.
Nidhi, complete the
हाँ
answer.
सर गोल्ड स्मिथ मेक्स गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट्स।
Sorry, Didi.
ऑर्नामेंट्स सर और ऑर्नामेंट।
I spoke this sentence very loudly twice, especially for Neha.
Sir, I hear the goldsmith in a lot of time. Sometimes I hear in school there is a in some chapters there is a goldsmith like sub letter word. So I can see, but I don't know the Hindi. I forgot the Hindi. I can't tell the appropriate word for sonar.
Neha, who drives the vehicles?
Sir, I I, I drive the vehicles.
Hey, can you please speak up?
Driver drives the vehicles.
Neha Didi, please speak up.
Meaning, who makes furnitures? Shivan,
So carpenter makes furniture.
फर्नीचर कौन बनाता है?
बढ़ई फर्नीचर बनाता है। बढ़ई ना। नेहा दीदी,
Who is ready?
okay, who's ready?
आई एम रेडी।
As to Neha or Mini,
ओके।
both are not finding themselves to answer properly.
नेहा हु सोस मैजिक।
The magician shows magic.
नेहा जादू कौन दिखाता है?
जादू मेरी जादूगर दिखाता है। मिनी हु पॉलिश द शूज।
कम अगेन नेहा।
हु पॉलिश द शूज। मिनी हु पॉलिश द शूज।
Come again, Di.
Who polish? नहीं आ रहा गूगल में. Who polish the shoes? Okay, Nidhi.
I'm ready, sir.
Didi, can I ask one question to you?
Okay,
Nidhi
you
Didi,
have to ask me.
who takes care of babies?
Yes.
Who
Uh,
takes care
Aya.
of babies?
Aya cares of babies.
दीदी,
या
बच्चों की
दाइमा
देखभाल
cares
केयर कौन करता
baby.
है? कौन करती है?
दाइमा बच्चों की देखभाल करती है. Okay. Meaning, uh, who uh, uh, who deals properties.
I think Mini and Neha both are having network problem because they are not movable. Shivang, you can give the answer, this answer.
दीदी, dealers deals properties.
Nidhi, property
Yes,
dealer.
sir.
Property
Property
dealer.
dealer makes the deals in property, sells property and buys properties.
सर इसमें क्या ब्रोकर नहीं आ सकता है क्या?
Broker is
Broker is
ये
mediator.
माध्यम होते हैं.
Yes, mediator.
मीडिएटर दलाल मतलब बीच में होते हैं.
broker are
Broker
that
ओके.
kind of people that gives a little bit
arranges the
amount for
deals.
their extra, like
सर योर
capital
वॉइस
in
इज
their extra.
चॉपिंग.
Broker arranges the meeting between buyer and seller.
सर योर वॉइस इज बैडली चॉपिंग.
बच्चों, it is 8:30 and network is creating problem. So I'm taking the leave. See you tomorrow. Bye.
सर एम आई ऑडिबल? शिवांग एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, Didi, you are audible.
शिवांग
Comma. हाँ, yeah, you are audible, Didi. Am I not audible?
शिवांग
Am I not audible to you,
मिनी
Didi?
एम आई ऑडिबल?
Didi, you are audible. Neha Didi, are you there? Mini Didi.
शिवांग योर वॉइस चॉपिंग.
My voice is shopping. Yeah. Didi, are you there? Neha Didi, are you there? हाय हाय, कोई तो सुन लो रे.
Yes.
Now am I audible?
Shivang, I'm listening. Don't worry.
Now,
I'm
yeah.
listening. In Hindi सुन तो लिया है.
Uh, classes.
Can I ask
Yeah, you can.
the who makes the cartoon?
Who makes cartoon? Didi,
Who makes movie?
director and producer make movie.
शिवांग कौन कौन मूवी बनाता है?
डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर मिलकर मूवी बनाते हैं और
Can I
द
ask?
Editor also. Editor
editor
also.
also and the actor also. The whole team of director. No, the whole team of what can I
And
say?
director ही बोले ना? Direct-
Or the what should the appropriate word for the team of movie which makes movie.
Well done, शिवांग. आपने बहुत बड़ी खोज की है. आज अपन पूछेंगे सर से.
and the who makes the
मतलब इसके ग्रुप को क्या बोलेंगे, है ना?
the and
हाँ,
who makes
क्योंकि
cartoon?
We
there
will
are a lot
search.
of people. Cameraman is also there.
Hmm.
Light wala is also there, and
Yes. We will
action
search, na?
say we want to search what should be the name of the group of the people which makes movie and the cartoon because not only one people cannot make movie. He can only written their story and how he should also act. He should also hold a camera